Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I created this look inspired by this picture I saw on Instagram by Head to Toe Color. I'll put their link in the description. I actually am trying out a new brand of neon pigments today. So I stumbled across this brand called Makeup a Murderer. They are vegan and cruelty free, which is something that I am looking for in new brands. I got their neon pigments, which are actually called poison pigments. All of their products have a murder crime scene twist to them. So here's what they look like in the packaging. They have little skulls and crossbones on them. They're super cute. They came in a little evidence bag. And the cool part about them is when you mix them with water, they turn into a paint consistency. And what's also even more cool about them is when they dry back from a paint consistency, they just go back into a powder, which is really awesome. So without further ado, if you want to know how I got this look, then keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to start out with the eyes today. First I'm going to prime using my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot and an M421 brush. Now I'm going to buff this out using an M173 brush. Now using an M124 brush and the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Draw Breaker palette, I'm going to pack Delicious in my crease. And I'm packing it in the shape that I want the UFO to end up being. So this middle part is going to be a rough sketch of the UFO. I'm just going to use that same brush just on the edges to help smoke them out. Alright, now to smoke out the edges, I'm going to take an M506 brush with Delicious and a little bit of soap on it. Now on that same brush, I'm going to dip into the Morphe 39S palette and take Great Minds on the edges. Now I'm going to take that same color on an M433 brush and lightly feather this out. Now on that same brush, I'm going to take Pink Prize. Going back to that M124 brush and Delicious, again in my crease. Now I'm going to cut my lid using some micellar water on a Q-tip. Now I'm going to pack on a light layer of concealer in the shape of the UFO. So I recently found this brand called Makeup a Murderer and they're really cute, they're vegan, cruelty free, and all their makeup is murder themed, which is really cool. So I got their poison pigments, which are some neon pigments that are in some poison vials. They're super cute, and they came in a little evidence bag, which I also thought was super cute. And the best part is when you add water to them, they turn into like a paint-like mixture, allegedly. So that's what we're going to be trying today. I heard that they used to have little skull caps, but they changed that to the little white corks, which is also cool. So I'm going to put the red one on my lid today and use the blue as well, maybe the yellow. Let's just see where it goes. So I'm not really sure how to apply them, so I'm just going to pour some out into a little bowl, wet a brush, and see what happens. So that ended up actually working really nicely, and I'm super excited to work with these. Might have added just a little bit too much water, but that's alright because it's already starting to dry and evaporate, so it's fine. I feel like this could be really great to go on top of eyeshadow bases as well to make whatever eyeshadow you put on top of it pop. I'm not gonna lie to you, I was a little bit skeptical at first because my last set of neon pigments that I got from a different brand didn't work well with water or any mixing mediums. The powder just kind of stayed a powder and didn't do anything, but this one, the powder dissolves really nicely. There's no weird chunks or anything in it, and I'm really proud of this right now. What's also cool is the wetness from my lids is mixing in with the powder, so it goes back to that paint consistency, nothing gets weird. Alright, she's looking great. I'm going to let that dry down a little bit more. Now I'm going to take some more of that concealer and make the bottom of the UFO. Now I'm going to fill this in using the blue neon pigment. Alright, so this is what we're working with so far. I'm really happy with it. Now I'm going to take more of that concealer and make a little antenna on top of the UFO. And I'm going to fill this in with the blue pigment as well. Now on top of the antenna, I'm going to put the yellow pigment. Now using the Suva Beauty Hydro Liner in the shade Dance Party, I'm going to add some dots to the bottom of the UFO. I know my hair looks a little wild right now, but just bear with me. I'm going to pause the eyes and move on to the face. First, I'm going to prime using my Benefit Professional Primer. Now I'm going to go in with my ColourPop foundation. Now I'm going to blend this out using my Morphe sponge. Now I'm going to conceal the highest points of my face and trace around the UFO using my ColourPop No Filter Concealer. Now I'm going to set everywhere the weight is concealed using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade 05. Now I'm going to set the rest of my face using a Morphe M527 brush and the Maybelline Fit Me Translucent Pressed Powder. So for this eye, I'm just going to add the neon green pigment to my lower lash line, but this eye I'm going to add a little twist. I'm going to add in a cow getting sucked into the UFO. But first, as you can see, the blue transferred onto the red part of the UFO, so I'm going to go over that as well as fix up these little dots again after I add in the cow. So for this eye, just stamping on the neon green. Alright, so for this eye, I'm going to focus the green on the center of the eye, so I'm going to add in a little bit of the blue on the outer and inner part of my lower lash line. So now on an angled brush, I'm going to make the spotlight, I guess. I'm going to add a little bit of water to that neon green to make it a nice paint-like texture. Now using my black liquid liner, I'm going to create the cow. Since this is going to be very detailed and small, I'm not going to do this on camera because I'm going to hold the mirror very close to my face and you wouldn't be able to see it anyway. So I'm going to do that right now and I'll be right back. So my cow looks kind of wonky, but it's alright. She's still cute, so I'm going to do my face makeup really fast, add on some lashes, and then I'll show you the final look. I know I said I was just going to run through the rest of my makeup routine really fast, but I got a new glow kit that I wanted to show you guys. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sugar Glow Kit. She's super pretty, and today I'm going to use Marshmallow. And I'm just picking that up with an M501 brush. She's beautiful. I almost forgot about lips. I wish I had a neon green lipstick, but I don't, so I'm just going to settle for purple, and for that I'm going to use Jeffree Star's I'm Royalty. But before I do that, I'm first going to line my lips using the NYX lip liner in the shade Your Macaroni Crazy. Ooh, this color is insane. I love it. So right now I just got another package from Makeup a Murderer and I don't know what it is. They might have sent me the pigments twice, which if they did, that's fine. So I guess they accidentally sent me 2 sets of the neon pigments, which is fine for me, but as a company they might want to look into that and make sure they don't send out any more packages twice. But this is how it came. It came in a cute little evidence bubble wrap, and inside of that it came with a little card like I did the first time, and again wrapped up in evidence. So now I have a lot of these, which I'm not mad about, but I'm just confused, and I hope my card didn't get charged twice for these. Thanks! So that was really weird, but I'm very happy to have more materials in my possession, so yeah. Here's the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit the little bell icon so you never miss out when I upload, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!